Welcome to Work for Warriors, Nevada. This PowerPoint is aimed at providing you with a step-by-step guide in filing online for Nevada unemployment insurance benefit as a new claimant. You can go to ui.nv.gov to file an unemployment insurance claim, register and apply for benefits, file your weekly claim for benefits, and check on the status of your claim. The first step is to go to ui.nv.gov and create a username and password, create a profile containing basic information, and set your security questions and answers. Click on the tab titled For UI Claimants. Then click on the New Claimant Registration at the top upper right-hand corner. On the Claimant Registration screen, you will need to complete all required fields, which are marked by a red asterisk. Please use your full legal name and enter your other personal identifying information as accurately as possible. Create a username unique to you and easy to remember, between 8 and 20 characters. It must be only alphanumeric and cannot contain any spaces. For your password, the more complex, the stronger it is. You will create a 4-digit PIN. Lastly, you will need to read the website terms and conditions located on the right-hand side. Then check I accept the user agreement box and click Next. Double-check your personal identifying information for any potential mistakes. Mistakes may cause a delay in processing your claim. To make any changes, click the Back button. If all of your information is correct, click Submit. Now your claimant account has been successfully established. To complete the registration process, you will need to log in using the username and password you just created. On the Claimant Login screen, enter your username and click Continue. Enter your password and click Enter. This screen describes the process for creating your security profile. Read the information on this screen, then click Continue. A preview of your security image and phrase is displayed. If you would like to change your security image and phrase, click the image and phrase link. When you're satisfied, click Continue. Next, you will need to select 3 questions and answers. Choose a question in the drop-down box and type your answer in the box to the right. Then click Submit to continue. Complete all of your personal information in the boxes. The required information is marked with a red asterisk. Next, enter your current mailing address. A P.O. box cannot be used as a residential address. You will also need to enter your residential address if it is different than your mailing address. Choose the appropriate address for the address search result. Then, you will enter in your contact information. Make sure you choose your preferred method of contact, which is by email or regular postal mail, and click Next. Complete all required fields in the demographics section. These questions are for statistical purposes only and will not affect your claim. If your answer is no to the alien citizen question, you'll be required to provide your alien ID number along with the expiration date. Click Next to continue. On the employer screen, select one of your previous employers and click the Next button. It is possible your employer may be listed under their corporate name, which can be found on your W-2 or paycheck stub. This completes the registration process. The Unemployment Insurance Benefits Estimator is a preliminary assessment of your potential eligibility. Be sure to read all the information on the screen as it could affect your potential benefit amount. Print this screen so you'll have the information available for your records. To continue filing your claim, click File Claim button on the bottom of this screen. Next, answer the yes or no questions in the initial filing screen. Read each question carefully and select the specific answer appropriate to your circumstances. Continue answering each question as appropriate. Words that are blue and underlined are hyperlinks to additional information. Click Next. Review and provide additional information about your work history. Your most recent employer should be automatically listed on this screen. If your employer is not listed, click the Add Employer button to manually enter in their information. Enter type of employment and employment dates for your most recent employer. You may be asked to provide information about your next most recent employer. Click Next. Complete the information on the separation screen. Use the drop-down menu to select the reason you are no longer working for your most recent employer. Fill in the remaining questions to the best of your knowledge and click Next. This next screen, Other Separation, asks you for additional information regarding your separation and claim eligibility. Click Next when you filled in your corresponding information. The Work Search screen asks for information regarding your occupation and your availability to work. Complete the information on this screen as appropriate to your circumstances. Click Next. The Summary screen will display all the information you entered in the previous screens, so be sure to carefully renew your information. If your information is correct, click Next. Be sure to read the legal information at the bottom, and if you're ready, click the Yes, I agree to file my claim at the bottom of the page. If you decide you are not ready, you can click on the No, I do not agree button, and the system will save all entered information for 7 calendar days, during which you can submit your claim. Please print this page for your personal records. You have successfully completed filing your claim. Now that your initial claim has been filed, you will need to claim weekly benefits beginning the first Sunday following the initial claim.